Well, good morning and welcome to the homestead. Cool today, guys. Rained all day yesterday. Cool this morning, but that's not stopping us. We're gonna get a roof on this today. We're gonna get the tin up. All I gotta do, I've got some trim work to do, get it all prepped, and then I think our friend Rich is coming over to help me out, and we're going to get a roof on this outbuilding. Very excited, so come along with us. Alrighty guys, unfortunately I started doing some trimming and forgot to turn the camera on, and then my good friend Rich showed up. We started talking and I didn't turn the camera on for that either, but you got the idea with that little bit that I just did. All I'm doing is squaring everything up, getting it ready, because once I put the metal on there I won't be able to cut that. I did mark it all out and it should be level lines, but it'll get a fascia board and the backside will get a gutter. So remember guys, this is just an outbuilding, so let's see how it goes. We're gonna get the metal on.
Whoa, this isn't light, is it?
Well, 10 of them aren't, but the individual pieces are pretty light. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
That is pretty.
Swing it. Ready? Can you get your end toward you more? Yeah. No, we're not gonna put it up yet. We're just gonna stand it up. Okay. All right, guys, you can see here. Where's the seam? Right here. I've got the little edge going over the big edge. That seems to be more of what we're looking for. I've never done this before. I don't know. I was gonna Google it, but I don't have my phone, so. What do you think, Rich? We'll go that way?
We're good. I think we're good this way.
We're gonna go that way.
Yeah.
We're gonna go that way. We'll get it up on here, and we'll make some assessments at that point.
Do they make different gauges of this?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the thinnest. That's 29, and they make a 26, which is a little thicker.
One bit.
One more up here for me. Okay.
Good?
Yep. All right. Got it.
Okay guys, full disclosure, this building is definitely not square. The deck is level, the roof and the rafters are all level. But as far as square goes, it's definitely out. So we spent a lot of time getting this first panel all lined up so that the rest of the panels would walk down the roof in a straight line, and we'd be able to trim up the edges at a later date. I knew this was just a practice building, and it would give me insight into what I needed to do for our house build, and making sure everything is perfectly square from the ground up is definitely something I need to work on.
Well, I really should have one for the Nice job. There we go. Well, that's simple.
Let me see who's.
Go. All right, that's tacked in.
Okay, you want the other one?
No, let me put one up top. Ready? Yep. Got it. What do you think, Rich?
I like it.
I like it too.
Great views from up here.
I couldn't have gotten it done without him. It looks pretty good, guys. I need to put some drip edge on it, but this is where we're at. So take a look at that, guys. What do you think?
Yay!
Let me show you from underneath. Let's get Rich off the roof first. Look at that, guys.
Oh yeah.
Looking good. Looking good out here. Looking good everywhere. Missy's here. What do you think?
I think it looks great.
Oh, yeah. What a difference being
I know.
undercover. It's like, it's amazing. But these roofing tins are straight in square.
Yeah.
And our building,
It's just a little off.
yeah, it's a little off.
That's okay.
That's a very generous way of putting
It's a
it.
learning curve.
But I knew it wasn't going to be this way. I've said all along I knew it wasn't going to be this way. It wasn't going to be square. It's an outbuilding. But for what we wanted to do, once we get the walls on it, it'll be perfectly fine. All right, guys. Missy just brought us some lunch. What do you got there?
Just some quick grilled cheese.
Grilled cheeses.
Yeah.
Well, the dinner bell's ringing, guys, so we're going to leave it there. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.